Hello guys, we're here in Barcelona.
Yay, we made it. Happy birthday to us.
This is our 30th birthday trip. It's actually her golden 30th.
I'm not 30 yet, guys. Let's clarify. I still have a little bit of time.
You'll be there soon.
Sadly.
Just got in. It's the afternoon. Checked into our hotel. It was about a 8-hour flight. We got in 45 minutes early, so it was pretty cool. Took the Aero bus over, which was pretty nice and convenient, more than I thought it would have been.
Yeah, because this guy always loves his Uber, so he even ordered one, and then we were walking, trying to find where the Uber was supposed to meet us, and then the Aero bus was like right in front of us, so he's just like, let me just cancel this because it's supposed to be convenient and cheap. It was 5.90 euros for one way per person, and it took us like 35 minutes, not even. It was like, we're in the central part of Barcelona, our hotel is, so we were the fourth stop.
We're by Plaza de Catalunya.
Ooh. But yeah, so it was nice and convenient, and literally just dropped our stuff off, changed, freshened up a little bit, and now we're ready to explore. Guess what is first on our list? If you guys have kind of followed along our blog and looked at, mapofmyworld.com, you probably have seen that we make itineraries for trips that we've gone on, and one of the first things we do is go on a walking tour. So we got here at 2:40. It's 3:05, and we're gonna grab a bite and do our walking tour at 4. So let's explore Barcelona.
First meal, a quiche, noodles, pizza, cafe for me, flat white for her, and the birthday girl.
And boy.
Here, kind of unusual looking structure. Okay, anyone from here? I have any ideas of what this is, why we're here, what's going on at all? Just what close anger is. You did not to close anger. Nor is it barbed wire, chicken wire, the top of a giant champagne bottle, any of the above. It is in fact an abstract depiction of the world's finest ever human. This week I should tell people. As if that means
excited are you? Is it getting foggy? Turn it on. I'm gonna have to.
We finally ate, and now we feel good.
Yeah. Even though I want some gelato, or they have these things here that basically look like churros with like ice cream on top, and it looks amazing. But we're doing a Gaudi tour right now, walking tour, so you gotta make that. So I don't think I'm gonna get this waffle thing I want, but we shall see.
It's probably for the best after last night's damage.
I mean, it's one more, you know, intake of calories. Let's vacate.
So something I learned was, if you find a good picture spot, you can drop a pin on your maps and then hopefully come back to it. post walking tour snack. This guy
Much needed.
is fasting since 5 a.m. I could actually go for that drunk pizza we had. That pizza was good.
Oh, that, yeah.
Thoughts on this?
On the Sagrada Familia. Gorgeous.
That's cool.
Made it to dinner.
Barely made it to dinner
This is his first meal of the day.
since 5 a.m.
And
Intermittent
it's
fasting at its best.
well, at 5 a.m. it wasn't even food.
Yeah.
Well, I guess, I mean, drunk food. But
Why were you drunk? What were you celebrating?
my birthday.
Sipping out of bottles over here.
Not birthday.
We'll add that footage in. It'll be in the next clip.
Never to be disclosed. But we're at Gino's Restaurante. We're excited for some pasta.
It's an Italian place. Mind you, it is currently 7 p.m. People eat here around 10 p.m. That's why it's pretty empty out here. We are not losers at a restaurant that knows that.
We just hangry.
We are also going to the game tonight. I do not.
What? Remember who's playing?
Got some Coke Zero, not 00. Not a joke.